Good morning and welcome to Berlin. It's actually 11:30 right now. I came straight from Stockholm, got up early, been walking around here, seeing all these beautiful buildings. It's my second time here in Berlin, but as you know, I'm a foodie, so I'm going to start by one of the most famous things here is to have some Döner kebab. Okay, so it's finally time to dig into this insanity. You have the meat hanging here. I'm going to try with this piece first, actually. Really crispy. Take a look at that chicken. Oh, let's dig into this mountain. That is insanely tasty. You also have this kind of feta cheese here and then the garlic dressing and yogurt. So amazing. A bit of the Turkish heritage, but there's a lot of Turkish people here and I love food. I haven't had it in a long time. And then of course I'm gonna have some wurst. Okay, so we finally got this pretty insane famous sausage here. I'm not sure you can see it. Let's have a bite and try it. Here you have a bit of a close-up of that wurst. Let's try it. Very chewy, crunchy. And some local foods. I'm gonna enjoy the walk here, like 30 minutes. And tonight I'm gonna go to an evening market. So if you follow all the way through, it's gonna be a lot of food. Hopefully a lot of nice sightseeing as well, but probably more focus on the food. So yeah, I'm gonna continue walking, show you some of the amazing backgrounds here, and I will see you there. I think I definitely find my booth here. I think that looks like a lot of pork and meat. Let's get a big portion. Now we get some crazy good meat put in the plate here. That is amazing. That's what I call a mountain of meat. Take a look at all this juicy meat. Let's have a bite. Wow, that's some amazing pork. So it's cheese and macaroni, what more?
Nothing else, chocolate pepper, fried onions and chives.
Fantastic. Less is more.
Less is more.
Okay, let's see if we can have a piece of this insane goodness. Mac and cheese, definitely not something that I eat very often. That is one crazy piece. Roasted onion. Definitely a lot of good energy. Fuel up. The weather is totally amazing and perfect. Just didn't have time to get changed actually. I just went to the gym when I arrived here because I couldn't check in, but it was a good choice to have shorts now. It's very warm outside. People sitting outside enjoying the cafes. A lot of biking. Really walkable city and really beautiful here with all the leaves. Definitely a lot greener than I'm used to in Beijing. So just taking in all these sights in the background here, walking around. I think we're gonna be there in just like 5 minutes. So let's find that Döner kebab. Okay, so after walking around these pretty cool areas with a lot of restaurants and bars and cafes everywhere, I think I actually found it. It's a really nice background here, but this seems to focus on kebab, so let's go in and try it out. Nice, we're getting some yogurt dressing, some garlic, and a lot of good meat. That is looking amazing. Yes, a lot of salad. Fantastic. Amazing. Thank you. That is looking pretty crazy. Take a look at this insane, huge pile of pita and kebab. Let's try it. Okay, so it's finally time to dig into this insanity. You have the meat hanging here. I'm gonna try with this piece first, actually. Really crispy. Wow. Take a look at that chicken. Oh, let's dig into this mountain. Don't even know how to eat it. That is insanely tasty. Stuff dripping down. I love these chicken pieces here. A lot of nice onions. Let's have another huge bite. That is crazy. You also have this kind of feta cheese here and then the garlic dressing and yogurt. So amazing. One more bite. Definitely pretty epic start to this Berlin visit. I'm gonna take my time and enjoy this fantastic kebab. Keep walking and we'll see you outside. Okay, so after that amazing Döner kebab, I've been walking a lot, seeing a lot of fantastic old buildings, really beautiful architecture in the background, and the weather is perfect. But of course you have to see this Brandenburger tour when you get to Germany and Berlin, one of the famous hallmarks. Just gonna continue walking through the city here, enjoying the magical weather, and just go and find some nice sausages and more German food, but gonna burn the calories on the way. Just gonna keep on walking, exploring. It's really amazing weather walking around here, passing by this memorial here, but also just having all these water and old buildings, very mixed architecture everywhere makes Berlin very dynamic. I really like the eastern part where I'm now, but I'm gonna cross over a bit more to the western side later, check out some more shopping and stuff, and then the evening market. So let's see what we can find. So after walking around a bit, I got to the Checkpoint Charlie, one of the most famous crossings from East and West Germany back in the times. Now, of course, it's open, a very popular tourist spot. So I'm just gonna continue walking now and go and get that food, but it's interesting to absorb all of this history. There's a lot of things that happen in this city, that's for sure, and important to remind yourself of the history before looking in the future. Now I'm gonna enjoy some more of the architecture, so see on the way there. This was pretty interesting. I found a big glass bottle of Coke here with a screw. Pretty interesting shape, unusual, very good to refresh with 0 calories when you're out walking, to stay hydrated. It's very warm outside, perfect to get some energy, but no calories when you're going and sightseeing in the city. I really like this dynamic city. You have all this kind of brick old buildings, and then you have fire trucks in the background. You have this canal with the water, and more of the modern side here. The weather is really nice, and you just see all these different types of backgrounds walking in the city. I definitely recommend walking here if you're going to explore Berlin. Today, the eastern part, then we're going to do the western part a bit later. Yeah, definitely an amazing way to explore the beautiful background and also nice weather. So after a lot of walking there, almost 27,000 steps, not sure you can see, 26,800. Finally here at this place called Witty's. It's the Curry Wurst that I've been looking for. There are many good ones apparently in the city. I'm gonna explore a bit more and even try maybe some more tonight. But I'm gonna sit down and check this one. Hello! Yes, a lot of people saying hi. Curry Wurst. That is looking amazing. Let's grab one and try it. What's the best thing? The Curry Wurst is the famous one, right?
One currywurst with fries?
No fries.
No fries.
Yes. Wow.
One moment.
Okay. Very important. Looking fantastic.
Enjoy, yeah?
Thank you so much. That is looking amazing. Let's try it. Okay, so we finally got this pretty insane famous sausage here. I'm not sure you can see it. Let's have a bite and try it. Here you have a bit of a close-up of that bush. Let's try it. Very chewy, crunchy. Yeah, they wanted me to have some fries as well, but I think I'm skipping that, saving some for later. Ooh, dripping. Let's have another bite. Very tasty. One last bite. Fantastic. I'm gonna enjoy this and continue walking and exploring a bit. Very good, very tasty. Have a good day. Bye. Yeah, that was really nice, but now I'm gonna go actually on the other side of the street. We have this Kaufhaus der Westens. Kadeves, apparently quite famous shopping place, so I'm just gonna go inside and explore a bit. A lot of fancy stuff here in the background, the Kadevi Valentina. We have a lot of that in China as well, so I don't need to explore too much. I'm gonna go check a little bit, but then go and explore some more food instead. Yes, actually you're not allowed to record in there. Pretty bad for marketing, but anyway, it was a lot of fancy, expensive brands. We have that everywhere in the world, nothing special. I want to see some more German stuff, so I'm gonna go to that market and enjoy a bit of this sunset, walking and taking in this nice summer evening instead, and then try some more food. That's gonna be a lot more fun. Okay, so the sun is setting a bit and I got in 36,000 steps, and the vibes are really starting to get cozy in the back, and you have a live bars, people are eating outside, and I'm only like 1 minute walk away from this evening market with the food. I think we deserve that after all that walking. I just love these vibes in the background. It's amazing with all these people out in the street. Let's find some food. Okay, so I finally found it. The Markthalle. Let's go inside and find some food. I'm sure we're gonna sample a lot of cool stuff. Let's see what they have. Totally amazing. Just walk around here. Surely you have food from like all over the place. A lot of Asian stuff, but well, I live in China, so I'm gonna skip that for now. We have a lot of cool Indian stuff, Chinese. I think I'm gonna find something German, maybe sausage or schnitzel or something. A lot of amazing stuff there, that's for sure. That's from here?
Yes, from here, yes.
That looks amazing. It's very, very German?
Yes, this is original German food. Where do you come from?
Sweden.
Sweden?
Yes, just near.
Sweden?
Yeah.
Not the original Sweden here.
From Stockholm. I came this morning, but this looks amazing. I want to try.
Yes.
Looks like the best thing in the whole thing. That's looking amazing. Amazing. Yeah, and then this, right? Sauerkraut. Fantastic.
Original German.
Amazing. Doesn't get better.
And bread.
Fantastic. Thank you so much. Yeah, let's see if we can capture some of this magic here. It's totally insane. Take a look at all that pork. Let's have a bite. Totally amazing. Let's see if we can have a piece of this enormous chunk here. Oh my God. That is happiness in a bite. And of course we have some nice sauerkraut here. Ooh, it tastes like beer. Let's have another piece here. Insane. Just take a look at this insane like mountain of meat. That is crazy. Let's have a bite. Okay, now everything together here. We have the sauerkraut, we have the meat. Let's have a bite. It's Totally fantastic. Definitely worth walking 36,000 steps for this. I'm gonna enjoy this now. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna finish this, take my time, walk around a bit, see a bit later. That was totally amazing, and also met some South African foodies there and recommended me another place that I missed on just next to the entrance. I'm gonna find some more German food here. Always fun to share the passion for food and traveling with other people. So much good stuff here going on the background, so let's see if I can find it. Amazing, gotta try one. Thank you so much. That is looking fantastic. That's a lot of carbs, a lot of cream, and also nice cheese and some bacon and onions on top, so let's try it. That is some crazy stuff. Let's have a bite. Wow, totally amazing. Yeah, maybe mac and cheese would be a new favorite. That is insane. My final bite. Definitely fun to try something different. This Bavarian style mac and cheese. Can't see I've had a lot of mac and cheese in my days, but very nice to try. So yeah, I think I'm finished eating it for now, so see a bit outside. Yeah, that place was definitely totally amazing. Markthalle, if you come here, especially on Thursdays when you can go inside and it's open in the evening, highly recommended. Pretty crazy. Also ran into one of my colleagues actually that I met for the first time last week from Berlin that gave me some of these tips in there. So yeah, the world is small town times. I'm just gonna walk now, enjoy these amazing views in the background. Really dynamic city here in Berlin. There's so much international food and amazing German food as well. Germany is a big country with a lot of cool stuff. But I'm just gonna relax, enjoy it a bit, end it for today, and then tomorrow get up early, explore a bit more. But if you wanna see more of this kind of stuff, fantastic sunsets like this, give me a like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.